There. Okay, meal prep. So I am starting with my lunch stuff. I've got to do chicken. It's supposed to be grilled, but I just find it easier to do it in the Instapot. So I went ahead and filled the water up in there. We're gonna make sure the seal on the lid goes back in, and we are just gonna layer our chicken breasts, boneless, in there just to make it easier. And we're gonna cook that. It's got a nice, easy poultry button, so I just hit that and we're done. And so while that's cooking, I'm going to brown the game meat like venison, ground venison, and get my roasted vegetables going. So that's pretty much going to be the majority for my lunch and dinner, because it's the chicken's going inside a wrap this week. It's supposed to be a BF-free sweet potato wrap. I haven't found that yet. So I found a similar calorie one, like the Mission flour wraps that were lower carb. And then I am going to have to make egg muffin cups for like a pre-workout, and then my breakfast is going to be quick cook oatmeal and slice up strawberries. So those will be quick. I only have about 2 or 3 hours to try and get as much done as I can. And so yeah, we're going to go. Stack them in. Now we're just going to close, seal it, and hit the poultry, and we're good. Okay, so we got browning the meat and getting the vegetables tossed in the mixture. Okay, browning some turkey for the next Tex-Mex thing, and then the chicken is done, and I wanted to try to just roll it. Shredded chicken.
Why?
Because it's going to be in my lunch. It's about an hour and a half into it. We've got the vegetables sauteing. The vegetables are halfway done. I still got to make the lentils. And then over on this side, I've portioned out the meat portions, 3 ounces of the venison, and I'm trying to remember, 5 ounces of the shredded chicken. All right. Okay, so the next part is, this is the vegetables. We're going to beat up 8 eggs and whisk it together, add that, and bake it. And then this is the lentils. Those are being cooked, and they're going to be topped with the roasted veggies plus the acorn squash that's in the oven. And then I think I'll be able to package everything up. I think I'm close to being done, and then make breakfast, which is just oatmeal. That'll be quick.